So with this year's iPhones, we not only got a new design, but an abundance of accessories as well, all which seem to act and give you a single cohesive experience. Now I've been using Apple's leather cases for about a week now consistently, and I gotta say, they're quite nice, but at a cost. So these do come in 5 different color variations, but I've personally found a liking to this California Poppy colorway, just a nice bright pop of color. The case does feature a nice leather body, which is accented by these metal buttons that are quite tactile. The ports are just wide enough for the lightning port and speakers, and at the back, a cutout for the now improved sensor, which also features a nice lip, which does seem to be made out of a hard shell plastic, and at the front, there's a minor lip that should help prevent some minor scratches for when placing your device flat on a surface. Now towards the inside of the case, we have some microfiber lining that should nicely caress your device and should also help with keeping your device scratch free. It also features Apple's new magnets, which again just keeps this whole experience feeling whole. Apple also reminds you what color case you got on with a nice little chime and animation. So depending on whatever leather case you got on, it'll give you a colored ring animation. Now, due to the nature of these cases and color, each case I feel will end up aging differently. The California Poppy that I have on now does seem to show dirt and smudges a lot more, but it's been fairly easy to just clean off. Now, over time, the case will develop patina, which is actually something a lot of people look forward to. Just shows a little more character. I also have the black leather case as well as the saddle brown, and those of course tend to hide smudges a lot better, but I still keep coming back to the CP colorway. Now these will set you back about $59 US, which makes it probably one of the more expensive leather cases for the iPhone 12 lineup. I believe Nomads and Boros start at around $50 US. Now Apple of course knows their devices, so the case feels great in the hand. It actually doesn't add much bulk like I thought it would. And yes, the Pro Max is already a huge device, but it doesn't feel like it adds much more bulk or heft to it. Now their cases are well made, they smell like leather, they feel premium all around, but one thing I will say that I noticed is that the Magsafe charger does leave a mark behind, but it tends to go away. Now I believe that over time it will develop into an issue where it'll just develop a permanent mark on the back of the case, so just keep that in mind if you are using the Magsafe charger along with this case. But besides that, the Magsafe magnets on here are strong, so you're getting that strong hold when picking up your device while on the charger, so no worrying about it falling off or disconnecting. Now another great thing about this is that the case actually doesn't cause any interference in terms of the Magsafe giving you faster wireless charging. So what I saw was that I was still getting those 15 watts with of course the dedicated power brick. Overall, it's a great case. Again, it definitely adds to an already great experience, but it doesn't go without saying that they are a tad bit pricey. But I do believe that you're getting a great case when it comes to Apple's leather cases, with the exception that even Apple themselves claim that if you use the Magsafe charger with the leather case, it will leave some imprints. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.